Alright, so I'm going to put together this tire stand. It has wheels, so you can put all 4 tires on it, and then you can roll it around and move the tires. Like say you have winter tires versus summer tires, move them around your garage. It appears we do not have a step-by-step guide, but a picture, so hopefully this goes well. I'm not sure if this is correct, because on the diagram I can't tell which one is the flat washer and which one is the other. I can already see we're probably going to have a little bit of lineup issues, but hopefully when I tighten this, it'll straighten up. Another issue I see is there are 2 types of wheels, but as the picture shows, they look the same. So I'm unsure which one are the brake wheels. I'm gonna guess 14. We have Princess helping and inspecting the work being done. How's it going, Princess? Is that a good box? The wheels are pretty simple. You just shove one through, and then you put the top in and then just screw. Okay, it's all assembled, and I definitely have some concerns. One, these don't really bolt in, so you can just not grab it by the pole because there goes a section. So the only thing you can do is roll it around. Yeah, if you wanted to lift this into a different part or over hump, I don't know how you're going to do that. Also, it also lifts down from this section. Really think through this black metal part. Maybe we could insert a screw, maybe some bolts, and then we could keep that from going together. Also, I don't even think this quote-unquote metal pole is even metal. It feels like plastic, and if it is metal, it's some of the thinnest metal I've ever seen. So, good luck. I'm starting to question Jegs. This was Jegs' tire stand on wheels. So we will see if it's going back or if never suggest this ever again to anybody else.